On today's episode of Bougie Texas Barbecue, I'm going to show y'all how to make a beginner-friendly Texas-style smoked turkey. Hey friends, welcome to today's episode. Today we're going to be smoking a turkey breast, and this recipe has me so addicted that I literally stopped buying deli meat from the grocery store because the shelf life is literally the same if you were to buy smoked turkey from the grocery store in the deli department and opening it. So it lasts in the fridge for 5 days and it lasts in the freezer for 3 months. So just saying, if you want to get less preservatives in your diet, I highly recommend smoking your own turkey breast. If you don't have a smoker, this recipe works in the oven as well. If you need a smoker, please use my code, which is down in the description, so you could get a discount on a new smoker. Enough about that. Let's get into the episode. To begin prepping our turkey, you have to decide right now whether you want to smoke it with the skin on or the skin off. If you smoke it with the skin on, you're going to have to smoke it at a higher temperature, 300 degrees or above, to really get a crispy skin, and you might have to do steps like drying out the skin before throwing it onto the smoker. I like my smoked turkey to have a pretty bark, so I'm going to remove the skin. Once you decide whether you want to smoke it with skin on or skin off, you also need to decide whether you're going to brine or inject your turkey breast. This is crucial because turkey just naturally dries so fast because it is so lean, which is not necessarily a bad thing. For this cook, I just decided to inject with lots of butter. Today I'm using Oklahoma Joe's 2-in-1 spray bottle. It works as a spritzer, but it's also interchangeable into an injector. I highly recommend this product. Check out their website for accessories and use my code, which will be down below in the description, for 20% off your cart total. Just saying, I want to save y'all some money. But anyways, back to injecting your turkey. So basically, you're going to want to inject your turkey until it either 1, doubles in size, or 2, looks like it's on steroids. Either one. Injecting versus brining kind of gets more flavor throughout the meat versus just brining to keep it moist. Not saying brining's bad. I absolutely do brine my turkeys, especially my whole turkeys, but I just like that buttery flavor all the way throughout the meat. Once you're done injecting, you're just going to pretty much season your turkey breast with salt and pepper if you want to do a Texas style. Texas style barbecue is pretty much just salt and pepper and post oak wood. This recipe works with any flavor profile, so if you want to rub it with your favorite barbecue rub, go ahead, but Texas style, salt and pepper. Now let's talk about the fuel. I'm using Oklahoma Joe's signature charcoal briquettes. Again, it is live on their website and you can use my code for a discount. I'm also going to place my charcoal on one side of my smoker. That will be my direct heat side, and then I'm going to put the turkey breast on the opposite side, which is the indirect side. And I'm only adding 1 chunk of post oak wood and then post oak wood chips. I don't want to over smoke my turkey, which is absolutely a thing if you add too much post oak. Post oak is a very strong wood and it will absolutely over smoke your poultry. Charcoal placement is also very crucial. If you can see, the wind is blowing to the right, so I place my charcoal to the left. Once the lid is closed, what the smoke is going to do is go over the meat, under the meat, and then out the chimney. And that's exactly how you want your smoke flow to be, especially on these kettle style smokers. Also, don't forget to adjust your chimneys before walking away to ensure your fire has proper oxygen. And you're going to smoke your turkey for roughly 90 minutes or until it reaches an internal temp of 140 degrees. As you can see, my turkey is at 136, but I'm pretty happy with the bark, so I'm going to go ahead and get it ready for wrapping. Wrapping your turkey also helps ensure that the moisture stays within the meat. If you wrap it in foil, you might compromise your bark, so I like to wrap in butcher paper. And yes, we're going to add some more butter. This again is just to keep moisture within the wrapping to keep that turkey nice and moist. Wrap your turkey nice and tight. It doesn't have to be perfect like if you were smoking a brisket or a pork butt. You just want it tight, and then we're going to throw it back onto the smoker until it reaches an internal temp of 165 degrees. Once it reaches 165 internal, it is safe to eat. Just make sure you rest it for about 30 minutes before slicing. And this was my result. It is so juicy, and it even got a pretty nice smoke ring. You cannot tell me that that doesn't look good. Well, that pretty much wraps up this recipe, guys. I'll have all the details in the description down below so y'all can reference later. Again, Don't sleep on Oklahoma Joe's products. Use my code, save some money, and let me know down below what you think about this recipe, or drop a recipe in a comment you would like me to cook on my next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you like the recipes I am posting. Till next time, guys, enjoy and make some smoked turkey. Bye.